This is a review of the Magic Mill air fryer oven. This is designed and intended for use where you don't have a normal oven. It has a lot of features, and it's really not most people, when they think of a toaster oven, they think of the little ovens that toast the bread, the bagels, and things like this. This is designed to cook food, and it has a lot of features. It's larger than your normal toaster oven. It's a convection oven. So this is the convection fan here that will circulate air inside. It has a light inside. Air fry, which means that you can put your food to be cooked here and it fries it without grease. You can see the control panel. It has a lot of there's a pretty good learning curve to this, so it has a lot of features. It has a rack for taking the trays out. It has a rotisserie spit here that you can put things on, and rotisserie. It has a drip pan. And so it's quite the sophisticated oven, and it is designed and intended if you have an apartment where you don't have an oven, it's designed for that. If you have a camp, a vacation condo or something where you don't have a normal oven, that's what this is designed for. And it's quite sophisticated. There are a couple of drawbacks, or for me. One, it does have a pretty large footprint, and you have to allow 4 inches. It can get rather warm here and on the side, so you have to allow 4 inches around the oven as space. You can't have it butted up to anything that you can't take the heat. So it needs some space. It's going to get warm around the oven. It's going to throw off a lot of heat. That's the big drawback for me. But if you want the convenience of an oven without having to either the cost or the space of a oven, this is a very neat oven. There is a learning curve. There are quite a few features, and you're not going to just plug it in and use it right away. It's going to be quite a few things that you're going to learn, because it has a large array of features, and it's going to take a little time. It's just like your smartphone. You didn't learn all the features as soon as you turned it on. It's going to take a little time. But it's very good for if you're using what it's intended for. Thank you.